Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video on Manhole channel. So today this is a complaint site. This is the morning time when the time passes and this whole road start overflowing. You can see that the overflowing is also going to start at that manhole. This manhole is also full and it's also blocked and it will also start overflowing shortly as the usage of water will start. It will start overflowing and this whole road will be flooded. So this is the main blockage which is causing the blockage of the sewer line. There is a pizza shop and they are throwing waste in the manhole, and after a period of time this manhole got filled with this waste which is totally restaurant based waste. You can see that there are straws and other things which are used in the restaurant. Boys are desilting the manhole and removing all the waste which is causing blockage. It is very difficult job for them to enter in this hole and breathe in this environment. After removing all the waste from the manhole, and this sewer line will be enclosed by using of jetting machine. Jetting machine has been reached, and now they start working with this jetting machine, and this sewer line will be unclogged shortly. And within no time sewer line got functional, and you can see some floating materials and came in from the pipe, sewer pipe. This is the previous manhole, it's also getting empty. There are some floating materials which will be removed, and the sewage level is now going down. This sewage also went back. We will see this after removing the cover, and you can see there is a small whirlpool, and this sewage is also going back. इधर आए ਉਹ ਛਾਪੜ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੜ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੜ ਗਿਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੀ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ?
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੌਦੀ ਤੇ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਉੱਚੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੱਡੀ ਚ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਪਾਣੀ।
You can see that this manhole was also full, and the level in this manhole also decreasing, and the sewage is falling inside the manhole, and the level is decreasing
ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ
continuously.
ਜਿੱਦਣ ਕਿਤੇ ਨੀਅਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਨੀਅਤ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਨੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਦਫਾ।
Ah, you can see that the road is now getting clear.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਸਟਾਕ ਹੀ ਏਡੀ ਲੰਬੀ ਡਾਂਗ ਜੀ 8-10 ਫੁੱਟ ਇਹ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਲੈਣੀ।
ਉਹ ਹੌਦੀ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ।
चलो ठीक।
ਪਾਣੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਇੱਧਰ।
So the road is now clear. Now there will be no more overflow in this street.
ਚਲੋ
So that is all for today, and enclosing of the street has been done. As you all know, these guys are working in a miserable condition, and if you guys wanna support these guys, you can contact on the given email on the screen. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed.